I'm an entrepreneur and an artist, so an artpreneur.
The purpose of this program is to enlighten some of you, share with some of you, educate with some of you the reality of an art career outside of what you would traditionally think.
I'm pretty good at creating art at this point, but selling and distribution of my art right now is probably where the biggest hole in my game is right now. So I was super excited to see how to take my business to the next level.
A lot of artists, we suck at business. So you have to know how to sell, you have to know how to market yourself, you have to know how to tell your story and brand yourself. It's not just about a beautiful piece, it's a business.
Being an artist is not easy. It's hard, and you have to prepare yourself for the challenges that you're going to face as an artist.
I did come with high expectations and it exceeded them. Inspiration and how this could relate to any career path, art related, whether you're a creator or if you are a dealer or seller of artwork. It was just an awesome experience.
You cannot be scared of making a move for yourself, because making a move for yourself could actually be making a move to better someone else.
If you do the things that I'm going to outline for you in this workshop, in 20 years you will have had a successful career. That's guaranteed.